Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda CRV low beam bulb. This simple task can be done in about 10 minutes with just a few basic steps. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Then, open the hood and secure it with the prop rod. Have your new H11 bulb and some gloves ready. Now, let's access the bulb. Look behind the headlight assembly to find the low beam bulb housing. You'll see an electrical connector attached. Simply press the small tab and pull it straight off. Next, grasp the bulb and twist it counterclockwise, roughly 45 degrees, until it loosens. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Remember to handle the new H11 bulb only by its plastic base. Oils from your skin can damage the glass. Carefully align the new bulb's 3 tabs with the slots in the headlight housing. Once aligned, gently push it in and twist it clockwise until you feel it lock securely into position. Almost done. Now, take the electrical connector and firmly push it back onto the new bulb until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring a secure connection. Before closing up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Once you've verified everything is working as it should, carefully lower and close the hood. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.